Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have already completed the two videos of the grade 6 previous year question paper, year 2022, part CC. Okay, set CC. Now we will start the third video of this previous year paper. So let's start it. Question number 25. Find the cardinal number of set A of the composite numbers less than 30. So first write the set. The elements are the composite number less than 30. So composite number will start from 4, 5 is prime, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 is the prime number. So how many elements are there? We need to find the number of elements, as the cardinal number is the number of elements present in the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So cardinal number will be your 18. Okay, it is in the option number C. The 25th answer is option C. Question number 26. Find the wrong number in the given series. So we can see what is the pattern here. 17 became 24. Okay? So 17 became 24. It means there is plus 7. Okay. Now 24 became 38. So plus 14. So definitely next should be plus 21. So it should be your plus 21. It should be your 69. देखो now plus 21. So 8 plus 1 9 and 3 plus 1 59. 60 should be 59, but it is 21. And 59 plus 28, it is 87, and plus 35, it is 122. So we are adding the 7th table here. 60 is at the wrong position. 26th answer will be option C. Okay? Question number 27. Question number 27. Pointing to a lady, Meena said, her father's son, only son, wife is my mother. So how is the lady related to Meena? So dekho, we will just do this question from this side. Actually, Meena's mother is my mother means Meena's mother. So just write it here, Meena's mother. Okay? And Meena's mother, so it's this mother is the son's wife, only son's wife. So it means only son. It means it is Meena's father. It is Meena's father. Mother's husband is Meena's father. Okay. Now, her father's only son. It means there is a lady picture which is her Meena's father's sister. It is the Meena's father's sister. ठीक है? ये उसकी कौन है? Sister हो गई. तो Meena's father's sister means her aunt. It is Meena's aunt. It is available in any option? No. So that's why we will go with the option D. 27th answer is option D. Question number 28. Select the set of symbols which can be fitted correctly in the equation. So you can just write all the operations and check which is coming as 67. So I will check with the C option. To multiply 18 fives are, and then minus, then plus, and then division here. Okay. So first division process will be there. 18 multiplied by 5 minus 25 plus 8 twos are 16. Now 18 fives are 90 minus 25 plus 2. 90 minus 25, 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 2, 6, 65 plus 2, that is your 67. So we can just go with the option C. 28th answer is option C. Question number 29. Find the missing number from the alternatives given below. So what is the pattern here we need to check? So we can check the row wise pattern. Okay. So 5 and 6. So 5 square, that is your 25, and 6 6 are 36. Adding this 2, you will get 61. 12 12s are 144, 9 9s are 81. So it is your 225. It means it is 8 8s are 64, 11 11s are 121. After adding this 2, you will get 185. It is in the option number C. The 29th answer is option C. Question number 30. Find the mirror image. Mirror image means side by side flip like this. So first your extreme right will be your extreme left. So T will be as it is, C will be like this, E will be this side, 8 will be as it is, B will be like this, H will be as it is, S will be like this. It is similar to the option number C. So 30 answer is option C. Question number 31. A rectangular grassy lawn PQRS measuring 27 meter and 43 meter is to be surrounded externally by a path this meter wide. Find the area of the path. So to find the area of the path, we can just find the area of the big rectangle and the small rectangle, and we can just subtract it. Okay? Area of the big rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length? Actually length is 43 plus 4.5 this side and plus 4.5 this side. When you add all of them, you will get 52. And breadth will be 27 plus 45, 4.5 plus 4.5. So this is your 36. Area of ABCD. ABCD area is 52 multiplied by 36. That is your 1872. Okay? Now area of PQRS. This is your 43 multiplied by 27. This is your 1161. Area of the path. Subtract this to area. We can just write area of path will be equal to 1872 minus 1161 equal to 711 meter square. It is in the option number A. 31 answer is option A. Question number 32. A shopkeeper had 37 liters of syrup. He mixed it with 40 liters of water. He then poured the mixture into some cups of 350 milliliter each. If each cup of syrup was sold at rupees this, then how much money would be he collect? ठीक है, तो total capacity of the or total capacity you can write, or total volume of the syrup will be 37 plus 40. So this is your 87 liter. It is your 77 liter. So it is written as 77000 ml. Now 1 cup is 350 ml. So number of cup will be your 77,000 divided by 350. When you divide it, so you will get 220 cups. 1 cup's cost, so money earned will be your 1 cup cost 80 rupees, so 220 cup multiply by 84, so you will get 18,000 480 rupees. It is in the option number B. So 32nd answer is option B. Question number 33. Solve this as this. ठीक है, तो first we will write it as part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. So part 1 equal to 0.9% means 100 multiply by 1 by 540. Cancel out 9 6s are 60. तो 1 by 60,000. ठीक है, P2 will be equal to 4.8 multiply by 1 upon 1728. यहाँ पे हो गया आपका परसेंट तो 100 हो गया 9. 48 multiply by 361728. It will be your 1 upon 36000. P3 equal to 3.7 by 100 into 1 by 444. This 0 finish. So 12 are. So this is equal to 1 upon 12,000. ठीक है. Now P1 minus P2 plus P3, you will get 26 upon 36,000. When 26 upon 36,000 will be, sorry, not 36,000, one more zero will be there. ठीक है, because there is 60,000. ठीक है, तो 4 zeros are here and 4 zeros are here also. This one cancel out, so we are left with 26 only. It is in the option number A. 33rd answer is option A. Okay. Question number 34. John sold a music system to Harry at 12% gain and Harry sold it to John T at 25% loss. If John T paid this amount for the music system, then find the amount John paid to for the same. So here we can see John T's CP is equal to Harry's SP sales price. ठीक है, and तो Harry's John T's CP equal to Harry's SP, that is given your 11,949. So by using this, Harry's CP can be calculated using the formula. Harry's CP can be calculated using the formula SP, that is your 11,449 multiply by 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Actually, he sold at the loss, so that is your 75. 25 4s are, 25 3s are. अब ये 3 से 3 3s are, 3 9s are, 3 8s are, 3 3s are. When you just multiply it, it will be 15,932 rupees. So Harry's CP is 15,932. Now Harry's CP, Harry's cost price will be equal to John's sales price. ठीक है, John's sales price, this is equal to 15,932. So it means John's cost price will be can be calculated using this CP. So this is your SP, using this SP. So 15,932 formula is SP multiply 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage. So this is your 112. ठीक है, when you simplify it, you will get 14,225 rupees. It means John has purchased the music system in 14,225. 34th answer will be option B. Question number 35. ठीक है, read the statement given below and then match column A and column B. Statement, what is the statement? In a class, 25% of the children are girls and the rest are boys. One day, 1,287 children were present, while 40% of the boys and 20% of the girls were absent. What are these? ठीक है, तो let X is the total number of the student. ठीक है, तो girls child 25%, it means 0.25 X are girls and boys are 0.75 x are boys. ठीक है. One day, on that day, how many girls are present? So we can see 20% are absent. It means 80% are present. So 0.80 multiply by 0.25x. How many boys are present? So 40% are absent. It means 60% are present. So 0.60 multiply by 0.75x. But it is said that total number of students are present 1287. When we just simplify it, so 0.80, it will be 0.2x plus now 75 multiplied by 60, so it will be 0.45x equal to 1287. So x equal to 128 1287 divide by 0.65. This is equal to 1980. The total number of students are there 1980. Now 1/3 of the total children are, so 1 by 3 uh, 1 by 3 of 1980 means 1980 divide by 3, you will get 660. A will match with option D. Okay, 1 will be D. Okay, the number of boys present on that day, number of boys present on that day will be your 0.75 multiplied by 1980. This is equal to 891. So match with C. So 2 will be C. The number of girls present on that day. So 0.25 multiplied by 1980. This is equal to 396. 396. It is in the option A. Okay, so 3 will match with A, so definitely 4 will match with 396. Okay, so 4 will match with B. One has matched already with B. Okay, so it will be B. So 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. It is in the option number A. The 35th answer is option A. Okay. In the third video, we have completed this complete paper. Actually, a little part of this is misaligned during the recording, but now you can check it is completely visible here. Okay, now you can see the solution of this question is here only. Okay, hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.